I have done. I had to accept my fate and go home. Am I going to argue with the king?
It is well.
But you know it is not well. God, you know it is not well because I am sure my son has not eaten anything since morning. All the sun I showed today beats my son. My son was chained to a rod. God, it is a woman that gave birth to that boy that is going through all that humiliation. All that inhuman treatment is my son. Oh, one woman, work with me.
I'm okay. You and I know that your son is a very stubborn boy. Huh? I think what the king is doing is to make him change his attitude, change his way of life. By the time he remembers what he has passed through in the palace, he will change.
I got there are better ways to do it. What the king is doing is just to give the dog a bad name to kill it. Subjecting that boy to that terrible condition is simply unimaginable. What are you saying? Wabozurori. Did he go to steal? He was the only stubborn. Every other child on the street is stubborn. Why is his own different? One man. Oh wow.
Listen, let me tell you something. All of them will end in praise. Oh? Don't worry, just calm down.
Hey!
Calm down.
Okay, Chuku.
You see, all of these things are happening now. They will all end in praise. It's just 3 days. After 3 days, it is over.
Will I survive till then?
You will survive. You will survive. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Don't twist it. Calm down. Oh?
My princess, thank you so much for making our time for me today.
It's nothing at all. I spent my entire day with you.
Yes, and I will forever remember this day. I'm so grateful.
It's nothing, really.
My pleasure. I will have to leave now.
Oh yes, sure, and please drive carefully.
Yes, I will, and I'll talk to you about the phone.
Certainly. Good night. I mean, thank you.
Yes. Take care.
Bye.
What I do? This is wickedness, oh. I did not kill anybody. I did not kill anybody. I did not kill anybody. I am innocent, oh. I am innocent. Hey, whoa. Hey. Why are you suffering me? I did not kill anybody.
What is that? My princess, the prisoner is still in chains.
You mean father did not release him after I had spoken to him and left?
No, my princess, he didn't.
He's still there in bounds, no food, no water?
Yes, my princess.
This is a joke.
This is wickedness. I'm thirsty. I am thirsty. Ew. Hey.
Who is there and what do you want? Who is here and what do you want?
It's Uju, father. I need to speak with you. Open the door.
Are you ordering the king?
No, but I need to speak with you. You are my father. Yes, you are king, but I still have the right to tell you how I feel.
You can as well talk. I can hear you loud and clear.
Father, is there any reason why you have refused to release the boy? I mean, how heartless can you be? You put him there bound in chains. No food, no water. He deserves his freedom no matter the evil he has done.
He still has 2 more days to stay with us.
Can you please release him? I mean, if you do not release him, I'm going to go into my room. No food, no water for me for the next 2 days until he's released. I mean, if you plan to show how wicked you are, then as your daughter, I want to have a share of your wickedness. Father, Your Majesty,
Did you succeed?
No, Your Majesty. She wouldn't open the door for me.
She wouldn't open the door for you.
Yes, Your Majesty. She said if it's not with the news of the release of the prisoner that nobody should come to her door.
I see.
Your Majesty, she hasn't eaten since last night. She came back from the outing with Prince of Umunachi Kingdom.
I've heard you.
Your Majesty, she...
Which part of I've heard you do you not understand?
I am sorry, Your Majesty.
Now leave my presence.
My princess! My princess! My princess, the prisoner has been released. He has gone home. My princess, the prisoner has been set free.
what are you saying to me?
The prisoner has been released. He's no longer there.
Are you lying to me?
Why would I lie to you, my princess? He's not there.
Are you sure father didn't take him somewhere else just so I can open the door?
That I wouldn't know, my princess. But it was the same vigilante boys that brought him in that also took him out.
Go and make sure that he's the same person who's safe. Go out there, ask questions and make findings. Bring word back to me.
Okay, my princess.
What is my crime? Give me can commit. Am I wrong? I Guinea camera. Is it a crime to fall in love? Why always me? Look at you. Why always me? Look at you.
No, Mama. How are you? How are you? How are you?
Mama, if I will change, I am not changing because of the Igwe. Because his action would have succeeded in increasing the terror of the demon in me. Eh? If I'm going to change, I will change because of the princess.
Yeah. How? May God bless that girl for me. Eh? Do you know that I was not even expecting you to return so soon? I was still counting down on the 3 days ultimatum when you suddenly showed up this morning. To my surprise, God will bless that girl for me.
Mama, no one has ever done that. I've not seen her before. She didn't know me. We have not met before, yet she believed that I'm a human that deserves to be treated well. Mama, I grew up with this stigma that I'm a bad boy. That I'm a very stubborn person. No one has ever seen any good in me.
I've seen good in you.
Mama, but for once, somebody believed that I'm a human that deserves so much respect and regard. Mama, let me tell you, I will live up with the expectation that the terror in me died this morning. And the violence in me is overtaken by show of her care.
Hey! Ezebinigwe. Thank you for saving my son. Thank you for saving my Okichukwu. Thank you. Thank you. Nam. Hey. Hey. What do I cook for you?
If you want to,
They managed to watch this one.
Greetings, ma'am.
Greetings, Nkegukwa.
I come in peace. The princess asked me to come and see if he has truly been released or if he has been taken to another hidden place to continue the punishment.
As you can see, he's here.
You're welcome.
He's the princess. Tell her that he is back. Eh? Please thank her for me.
Okay, ma.
He's alive today because of her.
Oh? Yes, ma.
Tell her, may God bless her.
Amen.
God will give her a good husband that will love her.
Amen.
And take care of her.
Amen.
She has a good heart.
My regrets to her.
All right.
Hey, woman. Thank you. Oh?
Thank you, ma.
Thank her for me.
Thank you, ma. I'll take my leave now.
Oh, God. Bye bye. Oh, please greet her for me.
Okay, ma.
Hey.
Oh. She's an angel in human form.
Afomia.
She's a nice person.
Afomia. Bye bye yo. Hey, kenere mia oh. Is it not better like that? That girl, eh?
She's a nice person.
She's a nice person. Oh.
She's just an angel.
His mother is so happy. She's so excited.
I'm glad to hear that. She kept on releasing words of blessings for you, and I was just shouting, Amen, Amen.
That's making me so emotional right now.
Even the boy is still in a way. It was written all over his face.
I'm so glad. Now I can take a bath and finally eat something. Please ask them to prepare for me.
When you look at my eyes, someone is in love. My body they shake you. No cause for love. When you look at my eyes, no cause for love. My body they shake you. He's a local boy.
I'm okay. Here. Oh. I got it. Hey. Oh. Mama.
The king has released your son.
Oh, Nemo. Kisereno. I'm safe for. I was here in this house when I heard human movement. When I came out to look and see who it was, lo and behold, it was my own Okechukwu. The same boys that picked him up were the same boys that brought him back. I was happy, at the same time surprised. How managed Okechukwu Amarom?
Here! Thank God. Thank God.
It was the princess. It was the princess that swore not to eat or drink until the king, her father, releases my own Okechukwu for me. And lo and behold, the king had no option than to release my Okechukwu. That's how my son came back.
Yeah.
Mama, okay? You and your son will go and thank her. Seriously. Honestly, that day that I was going back home, I was thinking about it. And the thought almost made me run mad. How will Okechukwu be in that condition for 3 solid days?
And he would have died.
Yeah!
If the princess didn't persuade the father to release my son, if that boy had stayed there the next 3 days, he would have died. But you know what? The plans of the enemies of my life and my son, the devil, those that wanted my son eliminated by all means, they have been brought to shame. They have been disgraced woefully.
Bam!
Their plans have failed and collapsed.
Bam!
They have been disgraced and exposed. I have my son back. My Okechukwu is back.
Mama, okay?
Healthy and happy.
Hey! I thank God. I thank God.
I thank you.
I will always thank God.
Please, let me go and find you something to eat.
Let's go. Hi.
Yes,
sir. Hey!
I'm so happy.
Mama, okay? Mama, okay?
Come in.
Good morning, my princess. There is someone out there who wants to see you, my princess.
I do not want to see anyone. In fact, tell Prince Afam that I'm sleeping.
But it's not Prince Afam, my princess.
Then who is it?
It's the boy you made your father set free the other time.
Really? Very well then. I'll be with him shortly.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave me a for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy. Yeah. He gave me away, he's a low life boy.
Which do I open first? This is so beautiful. How did he know I love white? Oh Lord, plus I didn't even ask his name. I heard the color white represents purity, light, and safety. You are an angel. He noted the word angel. I like that. I do.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave me a for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy. Yeah. He gave me away.
So how did it go?
Mama, she was happy when she saw me.
Yes. How about the gift? Did she like it?
Ma, at first, she refused collecting the gift, but I insisted, and she collected it.
You know,
I'm sure she will like it.
He's a woman. She will like it.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Hey.
Wow. She was so happy when she saw me.
Oh, Mom.
You need to see. You need to see.
We got to man like it. Okay, let's go now.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am. My mates, how are they supposed to join us?
Well, my princess, please give me the pleasure of being at your service until this date is over. For now, I can stay back and take care of the house. I will be your maid and do anything you want me to.
Awesome. Very well then. Okay. Go back to your rooms. I'll let you know when I get back.
Iron planting.
Okay, stop there. What is it? My friend, out of my way. Hey, stop there. Huh? You will show us your strength today. After almost cutting my brother impotent, and you think I can leave you? Come here. You want me to kill you now? Quiet! Don't try me. Unyala. Yeah? Unyala. Don't try me. I will tear you now. Idiot. Unyala. Iron plantain. Gone plantain.
Wait, stop the car.
Who's that?
I need to say hello to someone.
Charlie, stop the car.
You!
Hey! My princess! My princess! What are you doing here? My princess.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You didn't think it wise to drop by?
My princess, you know, I would have loved to be coming around, but, you know, I'm
a very simple person. You should drop by.
Okay, now that you've given me the license, let's come to the palace.
Where are you off to?
I'm going to sell this plantain for my mother.
That is so thoughtful of you.
Yes.
Oh, it's nothing, really. What's your name?
My name is Okay Chiku.
Okay, so I'll be expecting you.
Yes, tomorrow.
It's a date.
I'll start going now.
You should.
Thank you. Nice to see you.
Same here.
Sir, please. Oh, sorry.
You need help?
No. Yeah, my princess. Bye. Take care, oh.
So who's he?
A friend.
A friend?
You have a problem with that?
Well, I'm just wondering what this kind of friend, this commoner, will do for you.
I actually choose my friends for myself, not for anyone else.
I see.
Shall we?
Yes, after you. Would you? I'm so happy to know. I don't know why.
I'm pretty. It's obvious you are.
Yes. You see, I'm so excited.
It's a good thing.
I'm not always like this.
It's a good thing, really. It is.
You see, I always wanted to do this. My life can never be completed without you. You're all I need right now. Please, be the mother of my unborn kids. Be my wife. Oju, please do not say no. I love you so much.
Can you please sit? Just sit for like one. Can you? Let's just talk for like a minute.
You want me to sit down?
Yes, please.
You want me to sit down now?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, I will sit.
I mean, I don't see you like somebody I want to spend the rest of my life with. No, I mean, I see you more like a friend. You know, like a close friend. That's how I see you now.
So you say now, I have not done enough to win your love? I've not done enough to impress you?
Yes. No, you're a good person. I mean, you're such a gentleman. You're lovely, but...
Oh, okay. Listen. Tell me whatever you want. Anything you want to win your heart. I mean, anything. Is it a new car? Anyone? A trip to wherever you want in the world. I will take care of it. All I want you to do is say yes to me. Please. I do not want to lose you.
Time. Can you perhaps give me time? I mean, listen, I'm sorry, I just don't know how to pretend, and I need time to build my emotions to where you've built yours to.
Okay, no problem. Time. I'll give you time.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm not... I'm sorry.
It seems somebody made good money for his mother today.
Tata Yaka.
Nah.
Mama,
no.
You think it's money that is making me happy? Eh?
What else can make a man happy if not money?
Mama, sit down. Let me tell you what is making me happy. Sit down.
Tell me.
Mama, I am the happiest person on earth today.
Tell me the reason you are happy.
Mama, listen. Mama, see you on my way to the market to sell my plantain. 2 boys jumped out from one uncompleted building and attacked me, saying that I almost made their brother impotent. Can you imagine?
Who is your brother?
Do I know? Mama, do I know? Maybe somebody must have paid them to do that. You understand? Mama, this boy just came out from nowhere and attacked me with a stick. Saying, we'll deal with you today. You show us your power today. You always made our brother impotent. Wanted to rush me and I bounced on them. Mama, I overpowered them. I bounced on them. I seriously bounced on them. One ran and I faced one. Mama, I raised my hand with my serious punch. Mama, I almost break this boy's jaw. I wanted to punch Mama. Oh, Mama, something came to my mind. And I remembered the promise I made to the princess. Mama, my punch got weak. I brought down my hand and I left this boy. Mama, I did not fight though. I did not touch this boy. But I hit him a bit. Come on, leave this place, Byron.
God, thank you for making my son a change tonight. Okay,
Mama, thank you. Mama, the greater part of it happened today. Guess what? Guess who I saw today? Guess who stopped from her car and called me?
Who?
Mama, the princess.
Cousin, it's a lie.
I could come here already. She to come to the palace. She invited me over. So Mama, tomorrow I'll be on my way to the palace. I'm telling you, you could go me already. Bagam.
What do you come out? So how much did you sell the plantain? Eh? The plantain, how much? This is the season. It's scarce now.
Mama, wait. So all these things I've been telling you serious story, how I wanted to throw my punch and everything, and Princess and Mama. So it's plantain that is your business.
All of them are very important, but the plantain, ego no abarabofu.
What's going on? You've been fiddling with your phone. Why aren't you talking to me?
My prince, I'm here.
Charlie, let's take her home and come back here to meet me.
Excuse you. I did not say I want to go home. What's wrong with you? I only said I needed more time. Why are you acting up? You know what? Forget it. Charlie, please take me home.
Yes, where are you? Please do meet me at my usual restaurant. It's very urgent and important. 30 minutes. Alright, I'll wait for you.
Precious, I don't get it. Where did I go wrong? Why does your friend hate me so much? Why?
Wait a minute, I want to understand. You mean you proposed to her and she said no?
Yes, I did. Look, with this. I proposed to her and she said she needed more time. I mean, why does she need more time? Why? Tell me. Haven't I been patient enough with her? Haven't I? So what is the problem?
Just calm down, okay? Calm down. I'm going to talk it over with her. Just calm down. I will.
Precious, you need to talk to her. You need to talk to her. I don't know if it's something I did. Listen, I am willing to repent of the act. Tell her I am ready to apologize. Okay? I can't imagine life without her. I love her so much. I want her to be my wife. Please. Okay? Please.
Don't worry. I promise I'll talk to her. Just calm down, okay? I don't just like your mood. Calm down.
Okay. I'll try to calm down. I'll try to calm down. You promise? You promise?
I promise.
Okay. Okay.
Don't worry. Drink up. Calm down. Just drink up.
Cheers.
Yeah, of course.
You talk to her, right?
I will. I promise.
Thank you.
Drink.
Thank you. I trust you.
Better.
Why does he think he did something wrong to me? I mean, what on earth makes him think that I'm upset with him?
Because you refused to accept his proposal.
I did not reject his proposal. I said I'll think about it. You know, the only thing I know is that love takes time. I mean, I know that he's handsome, he's rich, he's caring, he's a good man from a royal family. But I need time so I can develop feelings for him before I accept his proposal. That's all.
You need time. So after 3 months of becoming close friends, and you didn't have any feelings for him, what makes you think giving another 3 months you have feelings for him?
Hostilities, everything. I mean, the way we are now isn't really where we first met. I'm certain the way we'll be in a couple of months will be stronger than the way we are now. Does that make any sense? Okay, sure. You have a point. Thank God. Don't play. I'm not. Come on. I'm not. Seriously, I'm not.
My prince, there is no cause for alarm yet. She's still interested in you. Just keep doing what you're doing, but forget about the proposal for now. Maybe after 2 months, you come back. I believe there must be something.
Well, Precious, how did you come to the conclusion that she's still interested in me? How?
Well, she said so many nice things about you.
Really?
Yes. Like, you're good. You're caring.
Yes.
That you're handsome. Royal. So many nice things about you, actually.
Wow. She said all these nice things about me.
Yes, actually, I was surprised you said all that too.
Wow. Oh, Precious, you just made my day. I'm so excited. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Your Majesty. My princess.
Very well then. You can go now.
Are you alright?
Oh, yes, perfectly. I'm actually full, Father. Thank you so much for breakfast. I beg to be excused. Okay, Chuku, right?
You're right, my princess.
Please, sit. How are you?
I'm fine, my princess.
Did keep to your word.
Yes.
It's kind of you to visit.
Yes.
How's your mother?
My princess, she's fine. She sent her regrets.
Oh, that's so kind.
You know, something happened that day before I met you, which I never told you.
Really?
Yes. While I was going to the market with my plantain, you know, two boys just jumped out from the bush and attacked me. You know, one was saying that I fought his brother, that I almost killed his brother. Before I knew it, they started fighting me. They even wanted to break my head, but I fought back. You know, I raised my hand when I wanted to punch his face. I raised my hand and I wanted to punch his face. And immediately I remembered what you Actually, I remember the promise I made to you. Then my hand hung. I didn't punch again.
That's lovely to hear.
So
violence doesn't solve anything. So I'm so proud to hear that.
I knew by now that the king must have been greeted with the news that the boy he kept in the cage fought another and almost killed him. But thank God you showed up. Knowing you has actually changed my life.
That's so kind. I mean, it's lovely to hear. So, what do we offer you?
Oh, my princess, I don't know. I normally like Zobo.
You have kept your word by visiting, so...
Thank you very much.
It's nothing, really.
Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for love, my body they shake you. He gave away, he's a local boy. He gave no good for the beer, he's a low life boy. He gave away, he's a local boy. He's a low life boy. Love is greater than words.
I will take my leave now.
Very well then.
Okay.
My regards to your mother.
I don't wanna know what the people are saying. Don't wanna know. I don't wanna care. All I want is love. Love goes straight to my heart. Papa when you went, Papa when you went straight to my heart. Papa when you went, Papa when you went straight to my love. Papa when you went, Papa when you went.
Is that not the same guy who saw you that day on the road?
Yes. Anything?
Oh, nothing. It's just that I've only seen you this happy twice. The other day on the road, and now.
What are you insinuating?
Well, I'm not insinuating anything. I'm just making an honest observation.
So much for honesty. I beg to be excused. I'd like to go to my room to change my outfit.
You're well excused.
Thank you.
Think like this.
My prince, that guy is her boyfriend.
Is that what you think?
My prince, can't you see the blueprint? It's not what I think. It's written all over her. She couldn't even hide it.
Charlie.
My prince.
Why do you think she will choose a low life over me? Why?
That guy is an obstruction. A distraction to your relationship with her. And if that distraction is not taken away, she will never ever take you seriously. Never.
Charlie?
My prince.
I want to know who that boy is. I'll find out everything. I mean, everything about him.
Now you are talking, my prince. Leave that to me.
is in love. When you look at my eyes, someone is in love. My body they shake you. No cause for love. When you look at my eyes, no cause for love.
Am I falling in love or what? No, I mean, why am I finding it difficult to feel something for Afam? Yet I can't control my emotions about Okechukwu. God help me, because this love is not making sense to me. I'm so confused right now.
Love is greater than words because he's blind. I fall in love for real because he's my child. I don't wanna know.
Okechukwu, what the princess did for you was born out of her own understanding of how a human being should be treated. There is nothing special to it. Listen, light and darkness have no relationship. Nothing will make it happen. Did you hear me?
Mama, why are you so fast in judging? Eh? How can I nurse feelings for someone who is already taken? She's dating a prince who always come to their house to see her. And I think they are getting married very soon. Hey, Mama, what makes you think that me, a papa, will be nursing feelings for a princess? Hey, Mama, how can she leave their house, their castle, to come and stay with us in this house?
It's you.
Mama, it's not possible.
It's you.
Don't think like that.
You want me to believe you? The Okechukwu I know. You want me to believe you?
Stop deceiving yourself.
Mama, Princess and I are just friends. We are not doing anything. I can just take the help she rendered to me for granted. I can't just do that. Yes.
That's good. That's better. But like I said before, you cannot deceive me. So don't deceive yourself.
Even those tears could not stop me from my reckless life. That Sunday, on my way back home, I still fought Anayo. It became obvious that I couldn't stop fighting. I decided to forget about Machi and continue with my life and my fighting life, since nobody can stop me from it. But here comes someone who has proved me wrong. Without much shouting and scolding, without much warning and threatening, she stopped me from fighting. Just with pure love. Love indeed is the strongest force.
I can't believe this. I can't.
My dear sister, you just have to believe it though. You just have to.
How can the princess of all people fall in love with a tout?
Do you know what baffles me? She now has to leave Prince Afam just to be with him.
But come to think of it, Okechukwu no longer fights regularly like before.
Yeah, it's true. We've not heard of his escapade in a long while.
No, we haven't. Meaning that what Angoli's sister couldn't achieve, the princess has.
Yeah, that's a big point. This princess, there must be something extraordinary about this girl.
Obviously, there's something extraordinary about her.
How is that supposed to be my business?
It's your business because you pushed your sister into leaving Okechukwu, thinking Okechukwu is a tout and he's meant to end up with tout.
Oh, so you like how Ikechukwu has been going around the village shamelessly, fighting every time? Your sister would have helped change him since he claimed he loved him.
Oh, someone that was not even ready to accept change, that kind of person. Okay, how is she going to start from? She tried her best. Please, oh.
The same way the princess changed him. Or didn't you notice that he no longer fight like before?
Yes, the princess has really changed him. That's the power of love.
Now, someone that is expected to end up with a tout now ended up with a princess. Can't you see?
Are they getting married?
I don't think the king will allow his daughter to leave Prince Afam.
Bam! Okay, let's watch and see.
A tout, a street fighter.
There you go.
Change. Change, come, change.
I can't explain it. I mean, You're my closest friend. Of course. It's about that boy. I mean, something about him makes me lose control of myself. Something about me. I mean, I can't explain it. It's so frustrating, but something about him gives me peace. Gives me happiness. Like a part of me wants to spend all my day with him. I mean, part of me is asking me why. I mean, how? But I feel like I'm in love with him.
This is serious. What an irony.
Thank you. This is... It's ridiculous, right? I mean, you are awesome. Like, how? I mean, I read this in books. I see it in movies. I watch it on TV. This boy he's a clear definition to me of what love feels like. Of what peace feels like. And I keep asking myself, why? Why don't I feel the same way for Prince Afam? Why him?
Well, seriously, this is bad. Very bad. Your father won't let that happen. And Prince Afam that I know will not accept it that you left him for a low life.
Point exactly. That is my point. I mean, I can't even introduce that boy to anyone as my man, let alone my father. But what I feel for him is real. It's strong. It's stronger than life itself. I need help.
Seriously, I wish I am in the position to help. But love is a strong thing. Just look around you. Don't be blindfolded with the feelings you think you have for him. Study your environment and try to make the right decision. That's all I can tell you.
Hey. Not a word of this to anyone. Not even Prince Afam.
Okay. I won't. It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be alright, okay?
My body they shake you. He's a locker boy.
The princess said we should come up to her room.
Eh? Are you talking to me?
Is there any other person here with us?
I do not understand what you mean.
She said I should bring you up to her room.
To her room?
Yes.
Hey.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. If I cheat the Lord, what will be shall be. What will be must be. Makachuku Pechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love.
Princess.
Leave us.
My princess, she said you said I should come in.
Yes. Are you scared?
Your father might come in here and...
My father is out of town.
But we can sit at our normal place.
No.